Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to make this bridal hand fan. So guys, the first thing I did was to cut out a wood. I had to use a wood for this, and then I achieved this that I am holding in my hand right now. So after doing that, I covered it with a black material. In the market it's called a doll face, just in case you want to get one. And then after covering it with a black material, I had to use my own hard net to cover it again, and that is what I am doing right now. So I'm just going to be cutting it so that it gives me the shape of the wood that I have itself. So guys, I'm going to be applying my glue on every side of my wood so that it covers everything. I'm going to be covering my doll face, which is the black material, with this gold material, which is my hard net. I'm just going to be covering everything so that it comes out as gold and no longer as black. So I'm going to be covering every side so that it's covered in gold. So after doing all of that, this is what your wood is supposed to look like. This is what it's supposed to look like. So you just have to make sure that you cover neatly. And then I'm going to be placing my feathers on what I have right now. I'm just going to place my feathers on the wood itself. But in order to do this also, I'm going to be using my glue so that it stays in place and so that it doesn't remove at any point. So right now I'm using my glue gun to hold the feathers in place. You can use a glue gun or you can use a UHU gum. It works both ways. So whatever I'm doing at this side of the wood right now, I'm going to be doing at the other face. Whatever I'm doing on this face, I'm going to just apply it on the other face. So if I'm applying one layer of feathers at this place, I'm going to be applying another layer of feathers at the other place, as you can see guys. And I'm also going to be covering under the fan so that the hard net does not show at any point. So guys, this is what you're supposed to come up with after covering it on both sides. I'm also going to apply my second layer of feathers. I'm going to apply it, and I'm using my glue gun, like I said, in order for it to stay in place. So I'm just going to apply it around the wood. If you do not want your fan to be very full, you can just make sure that you leave a particular gap so that it doesn't make the fan very full. So you can keep a space in between the first layer and the second layer. And then after doing that, I used this gold material. It's called a trimming, and I'm just going to apply it on the empty space I have right there. So guys, you have to make sure that you put this trimming properly so that it comes out really neat and beautiful. As you can see, the curves on the trimming, I had to make sure that it came out really nice. So you can do that also. I'm just going to be applying this gold material, like I call the trimming, on every part of the empty space that I have right there. So I'm just going to fill up every empty space here with the gold material. At this point, you really need to be careful so that your fan comes out really beautiful. As you can see, guys, I already have a V in front, so you can also make your fan look like a V in front so that it comes out really beautiful. So I'm just going to cover every part of the empty space, like I said, guys, with the trimming. Okay guys, I'm done covering on this face with my trimming. I'm going to go over to the other face and then I'm going to cover my feathers. But at this point, I do not have enough feathers, so I'm just going to make do with what I have. I'm going to cover the remaining feathers on this face, and as you can see, it's not very long. But if you also fall into this category, just do not panic. You can use your trimming, or you can use your the gold material to cover up everything. So like I did on the other face, I had to use my trimming to cover the empty space that I had. And then for the clutch, I also used my trimming to cover up everything so that it looks as neat as possible. So I'm just going to be covering the hand throughout. I'm going to cover the hand all the way, and before doing this, you have to make sure that you apply your glue so that the trimming stays in place and so that it doesn't move at any point. And at the end, just apply it at the end of the trimming so that it also stays intact. Before covering your clutch, you can even apply a foam at the middle, then apply your doll face and also your hard knit before putting your trimming. So guys, I'm done covering. I'm just going to use my remaining flowers and then I'm going to apply it at the middle of the empty space. This was the reason I said you shouldn't panic if you do not have enough trimming or if you do not have enough feathers. You can just come up with something that can easily beautify the fan. So I'm just applying mine with my own flowers. You can use pearls or anything you have, guys. So this is about the end of the video. I love you guys so much. If this video has helped you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. You can easily make this for your wedding at any point in time. Instead of going to the market to buy, you can easily just do this for yourself. I love you guys so much. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.